The Hakko FR410 high-power desoldering station is excellent for desoldering components on multi-layer printed wiring boards, small LAN patterns, and difficult-to-reach LANs in narrow spaces. The FR410 delivers nearly 3 times more heating power than previous models. Suction starts 0.2 of a second after the trigger is pulled on the desoldering handpiece. This allows a buildup of vacuum, which is then applied to the solder joint for instant high-power vacuum and complete desoldering. The improved heater core allows increased heating at the back end of the heating core, ensuring molten solder is sucked into the filter pipe. After releasing the trigger, the pump continues to run for an extended period of time so that residual solder in the heater core is sucked all the way into the filter pipe. And a large, easy-to-read LCD with temperature display and vacuum indicator that indicates the vacuum level and when it's time to change the filter. The Hakko FR410 can be used with a gun or pencil desoldering handpiece, and a wide selection of nozzles are available for a variety of desoldering applications. These newly designed nozzles now make it possible to desolder micro-LANs, narrow spaces, and flat-type terminals. The FR410 also features easy nozzle replacement, easy filter replacement, easy heater replacement, a large transparent filter for a quick visual check of the filter, and a basic maintenance kit with an assortment of basic tools to keep your desoldering nozzles and heater in proper working condition. The Hakko FR410 high-power desoldering station, expanding desoldering to a variety of new applications in electronics.